Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We will present about the hybrid computers on my group. Okay. In my group, there are three friends that follow me. Okay. The hardware computer is a part of computer include mouse, motherboard, central processing unit, etc. Okay, my friend. In my group, there are Rudy, Imron, and Doni. Okay. Thank you very much for your attention.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi friends, my name is Imran. On this occasion, I will explain a few things about computer hardware. Computer hardware is a physical component on a computer that is used by the system to execute commands that have been programmed, or in short, a component on a computer that can be touched, seen and touched. Here are the various kinds of hardware on the computer hardware that you need to know. Number 1, mainboard or motherboard. Motherboard, or commonly called the motherboard, is a piece of hardware that functions as a connector for all other computer devices. So, all devices such as processor, RAM, hard disk, and so on are connected to one on this motherboard. And number 2, processor. The processor is arguably the brain of a computer. Why is that? Because every process that enters and leaves is always processed by this processor. Therefore, it is not surprising that the processor is one of the hardware that is very hot. And because it is easy to overheat too, the processor is always protected by a heatsink fan or cooling fan. Number 3, hard disk. Hard disk is hardware that has the function to store our data on the computer. With this, we can save all files, documents, or other important files. Types of hard drives, for example, ATA, SATA, and SCSI. There are two types of hard drives, namely internal and external HDD. Number 4, RAM or memory. RAM is temporary data storage tool. What do you mean? Commands, data, and other processes are temporarily stored in this memory. If the computer is restarted, everything stored in RAM will be lost. Number 5, power supply. The power supply is a device that is directly connected to electricity. This device functions as an electric power supply that can change the AC voltage to DC voltage. Number 6, monitor is an output device in the form of visual display that is connected using a video card. Number 7, VGA card or video card. This hardware device is a device that functions to adjust the level of image resolution or image quality. The greater the quality or specification of your VGA, the better the resulting image quality. Next number, keyboard is a keyboard that functions to display output on the monitor screen in the form of numbers, letters, symbols, and commands that can be executed using the keyboard. The next number, mouse. As the name implies, the shape of this device resembles a mouse. This mouse-named tool is used to move the cursor on the monitor screen. Some of the computer hardware mentioned above are basic computer components that you need to know for those of you who want to learn the computer. Although there are still many that have not been mentioned, at least you can understand some of the reviews above from various sources. And that's a few things about computer hardware. So, of me apologies if there is a shortage. The rest I'm returned to my friends. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rudy Hardiana. In this presentation, I will discuss the function of hardware component. The hardware component on a computer are divided into 5 parts normally. Number 1. Central Processing Unit or CPU. CPU function to receive and carry out command and data from the software. 2. Storage. Storage serves to store data or file in the long and short term. 3. Input device. Input device function to enter command from computer use, which will later be processing again by the processing device to be displayed by the display device. 4. Output device. Output device output device serves to produce information obtained from the process of computer process equipment. Number 5. Communication device. Communication device function to send data, instruction, and information to other computer via cable, telephone line, seluler radio network, satellite, and other transmission media. This is the end of my presentation. Okay, thank you very much.
The input device on a computer has the function of providing input commands to memory and a computer processor to be processed so as to produce the data and information we need. Output device, its function is to display the result of action performed by device user. For example, monitor to display video and speakers to output audio. Process device, here I will explain one example, namely the CPU, the most important element of a computer system on large machines. The CPU requires one or more printed circuit boards. On personal computers and small workstation, the CPU is housed on a single chip called a microprocessor. Backing storage is a component the store of all information is inactive that is on the computer. This storage component is distinguished for serial access and direct access. One example of a unit disk storage is the hard disk. A hard drive is one computer hardware one serves a place secondary data storage. As in the hard disk contains a disk magnetic. This hard drive does just that can be installed in the device internal, but mountable outside the device external with using a USB cord or other supporting cable.
Okay, the last. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope you will be learn on the lesson.